special guest is going to be real. He's going to kill them all. No, Candy, not Poppy. She's always been her favorite. I think she's a little asking Annie. Oh, he's the little asking Annie. Oh, please take me off my case. Oh, please wear your earfit. Oh, please blow up a whole factory and burn everyone alive. Oh. A special guest is here. Surprise!
What did you do with them? Where are the orphans?
Uh-oh, she does it all.
I did.
What I had to.
Pero, sin pero, sin pero.